there she goes, turbo. Now we're just waiting on Breezy to do the tune. And it's gonna need the tune bad. So finally my wheels are here after waiting about 14 weeks. They're finally here, and now it's time to open them. Hopefully they did the right ones. They did come with tires already though, so all I gotta do is get the suspension work done and get them put on. One thing I must say, they packaged the shit out of these goddamn wheels. You got the outside wrap, this shit right here, whatever the hell this is, and then there's the wrap on the inside. Well, here we go, last and final day of tuning. It's been a bit of a headache, as you can see. Don't have the grill on because it doesn't fit, because it hits right here. Had to do some modifications on that. Truck's been a big headache, but we're getting it dialed in. Don't have my pillars, so the gauges are right here. Once I get that dialed, once we get it dialed in, then I'll worry about putting all that stuff in.
Fucking ass.
And there they go.
What did you say? Yeah, they are here. They are.
Been here.
Yeah, they've been here.
Well, my hair told them last week they were here.
He said the guy told you even last week they was here.
We got 26.9 in the front, 28.12 in the back.
Right now the Cadillac's on my mother-in-law's house.
Yeah.
Yeah, we went to. It's been there since Wednesday since freaking. We went to her dad's birthday party. It's been there and ever since then, man. It stayed there. Like, man, we're gonna go get it Sunday yesterday.
Damn.
Huh? This one's a 3.5.
She's done.
Yeah, it's level, man. Huh? You did that one yourself? Yeah, when I bought the truck, I had the white one. I had a 2014 Chevy.
Hey, his white one was sick.
Yeah, and that thing was bagged and 5-lug conversion and stuff, and they got totaled. Some little kids ran on this out here, and right there on Mansell Highway, right there, man. I put right by Moe's.
Yeah.
Tore it all up. So then I got this one. I got a Honda Civic, a brand new one, man. And
Fucking can't wait to drive it.
And I was like, man, I fucking regret it.
There she goes. Hey, I must say, this bitch drives way better than factory. I'm just on the highway cruising 70. Drives smooth as hell. So I picked the truck up on Monday. Today is now Wednesday. I didn't drive it at all yesterday. Right now I'm about to change out this headlight right here because I really don't like that it's scratched up. Had one of my dogs tied up next to it and forgot, and she ended up jumping on the truck, scratching the paint, the light, and front bumper. I just put the seat back in. I had to take the seat out because when I took the truck to him, I took the truck with him with one wheel inside the truck. This little badass here. Cover up the wheels because this one and those two over there likes to pee on stuff. So to keep them from peeing on my wheels, I had to cover it up. So now to change out this light and then move it out. I'm gonna take it to work today. So I finished that. That was quick. You can look at it. See how it's scratched up. She did some damage on this one. So I had an extra one because I had another set before this one, but I had an accident last year where I damaged the light on that side, so I had to get new ones and get the front end repainted. So still had one left over. I just don't know where these are, because if I did, I would change this out because I hate when the lights look like this. I had to take it to my boy Weezy to get them resealed, cleaned out and resealed, or just get new ones and do a custom light build. But no, it's just move it out. We'll take a shower and then head to work. Get this. Let's hear this cold start. This box is gonna be for sale soon. I'm gonna get a new box. I'm tired of it already. So the box will be up for sale soon. Well, it's our first meet out. I guess we got patrol this time. So the cops was already here before I got here. But fuck it. They ain't shutting this bitch down. I guess we're good. I swear riding on 6s it feels so sketchy riding on these motherfuckers. Got dumbasses that want to rev.
Your truck sounds like shit. Stop it.
Ha! This is a dumbass gig. Ha! Cut it out. The cop said cut this shit out. Oh shit. Can't even see you.
Your fucking truck is like, damn, bro.
Nigga, I'm trying to vlog and you trying to rocking me.
Look, let me show the camera. Let me show. Damn. Do you see the fucking lip? Bro. Have a beautiful truck, guys.
I appreciate it.
That's like, this truck is for words right now. I wouldn't even buy rims like that no more unless they're bigger than yours.
Unless they're bigger than mine? Man, everybody camming now.
No, I need to do something right.
Yeah, you bullshitting over here.
Nah, I think I'm gonna sell myself already. Something new.
And get another one?
I'm trying to get one like yours. How much?
How much for what?
With the rims and everything.
Hell no. It's not for sale.
Hey, bitch, you better fucking cut my voice out, homie.
Hell no, you stand in there. That nigga need alignment badly. Very bad. Hey, your truck's smoking, buddy. OBS clean. Oh yeah, that shit's adjustable. I can go 2 inches lower. I even go
No,
two.
I like how he did the shocks and then he did the support.
That's what I'm saying though, but look at the brackets at the bottom of the coilover. He has it to where I could go 2 inches higher or 2 inches lower. So this is even. This is evened out.
Mm-hmm. So if
where it's level. So if I say one day I just want to tuck this bitch more, I just take the bolts out, drop it down, put the bolts back in, and I get 2 inches more. And it tucks as it is. That bitch just gonna tuck. It's gonna tuck more. But that side tucks more than this side. Another thing is though, right here, he's starting to check my bushings because when he took it off and put the bed back on, you can see the body lines are not straight. Mm-hmm. But I did some research. I've been on Instagram looking at people with wheels like this or a setup like this. None of their stuff sits straight. All of them are like this with the bed up. Even Static Leo's bed is up. So I'm thinking that's normal. And for the ones asking for a turbo truck, honestly, this is how I feel about it right now. Like I say, this thing's basically a storage. These are the stalks from the black truck pressed up against it. I mean, honestly, I'm probably gonna work on this for a little bit, for a while. Probably start back working on it next year sometime. I want to get this one completely finished first. Once this one gets completely finished, then I'll jump back on this one. Only thing, honestly, I need right now to be able to drive it again is transmission fix. Other than that, nothing's wrong as far as driving wise. I just don't feel like messing with it. So, and right now it's completely dead, so it's just gonna stay completely dead till I feel like messing with it again. So, first day of driving, it was scary as hell, honestly, because I felt like every pothole I hit, I messed up a wheel, or it felt like it was very expensive. But let's check and see. No dents on that one. That one looks good. Looks good. Everything looks good back here. Looks good. Well, look like we made it home. No dents. Now time to put it up, and I think I pulled it back out on Friday. There's a meet going on Friday, and the north side. Probably take it out for that meet. If not, then sometime on the weekend I'll take it out. But first day, first drive, pretty good. Can't complain. Ride's good. Stay tuned for the next video.